Hello guys, hardly welcome to that coding bro. Welcome back for new people. Hello, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, welcome. Now let's go to our today session or today problem. Write a C program to tell whether the given number is positive or not. See, don't consider that only C program, Java, Python, C++, any language. There will be same algorithm. Only program changes. You learn this concept, you apply using ChatGPT, you will get the program and you will understand. C people, you can follow blindly. I will tell you how to write that program. Okay. Now, my question is, or today question is, write a program to tell whether the given number is, positive or negative. That's it, right? To tell given number is positive or negative. Now, how one will tell the given number is positive or negative? See, this is number scale. The numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. In backwards, -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. How can you tell a number is positive or negative based on this 0? 0 is positive number. All these are positive numbers. All these are negative. But a human being says whether a given number is positive or negative based on this sign. But computer doesn't have eyes, right? How it will tell? We need to give some logical expression or a logic. Here the logic is, if the given number is greater than or equal to 0, means, see, for 1 greater than or equal to 0, true. In case of -1, -1 greater than or equal to 0, false. It is true. If true, we need to print the given number is positive number. Else, we need to print the given number is negative number. Okay. See, for example, 5. 5 greater than or equal to 0. See, read the statement. 5 greater than or equal to 0. It is true. So the program will print positive number. For example, -4 greater than or equal to 0. -4 greater than or equal to 0. While reading, we can sense that it is wrong. So it will return false. So it will print negative number. Okay. Now whatever the thing we have done, let us discuss one more time. Okay. We need to tell whether the given number is positive or not. How we will tell the given number is positive? If the given number greater than or equal to 0. If given number is greater than or equal to 0, then we will tell it is positive number, right? Else, what about that? Else it is negative number, right? In this way, we will tell whether the given number is positive or negative. That's it. It is logic. It is a very simple question. I am thinking that you people got how to tell whether the given number is positive or not. You will tell based upon, see what? You will tell based upon given number is greater than or equal to 0. If the given number is greater than or equal to 0, then it is positive number. Else, it is negative number, right? Now, I will write this thing into algorithm. What is the algorithm? What is the purpose of algorithm and program? You can watch my motto. In YouTube channel, there is a video called My Motto. In that video, I will explain what is algorithm, what is problem statement, and how to convert this Java program into C program or C++. See, first we will start the algorithm. For all the program, the both steps are same: start and stop. As the question they told that they will give a number, so we need to read a number. I am telling example 10. Now the number is 10. If number greater than 0, see, read carefully. If number greater than 0, go to step 4. In case of this 10, the number greater than 0, go to step 4. What is step 4? Display the number is positive. So it will tell positive number. In case I given number is -1. -1 here greater than or equal to, because 0 also positive number, right? -1 greater than or equal to 0, false. So otherwise, go to step 5. What is step 5? print the number is negative, so it will print negative number. In case of positive number, it will print positive number. Negative number, it will print negative number. After that, stop the program. Okay. Now let's discuss the C program. As I told, first two statements and last two statements are same for every program. Okay, every C program. Now first we are taking an input a number, right? To store that number, I need to declare a number, int number. I am telling the user enter a number. So user will give a number. For example, I have given 10. Scanf that number. So number 10 here greater than or equal to, because 0 also considered as positive. If number greater than or equal to 0, in our case 10 greater than or equal to 0, true, so it will enter here, print the number is positive. If the number is minus 5 greater than or equal to 0, false, so it will come to here and it will print the number is negative. In case of positive number, it will print positive number. In case of negative, it will print negative. If you want this is the C program. If you want Java, Python, C++, you can ping me, or you can go to ChatGPT, write that algorithm and ask to generate your desired language program. Like I want Java program for tell whether the given number is positive or negative, like that. It will generate the program, no issues. Understand the concept, you can write whatever the program you want. In Java also you will write same logic here. C++ also, Python also, every language same logic, but syntax changes. That's it, the program I got. I think you people got this answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to